Dear students, welcome to my classroom. So in this class, we are going to start a new chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables, which is very interesting and important topic in 10th class syllabus. In 8th class, we have learned about linear equations in one variable. So linear equations in one variable are called as simple equations also. Let us see some examples for linear equations in one variable. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 1 by 2. Root 2 into p plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7p. We can say all these are linear equations in one variable, because in first equation we have only one variable x, and in second one also we have only one variable y, and in third one we have the variable p. So all these are equations in one variable, and also we can notice that the degree of each equation is 1. What is the degree of an equation? The highest power of the variable in the given equation is called the degree of the equation. In the first equation, the power of the variable, highest power of the variable x is 1. In second equation also, the highest power of the variable, that is power of y, is 1. And in third equation also, the power of p is 1. So we can say that all these equations are linear equations in one variable. And let us see linear equations in two variables. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. In this equation we have two variables x and y, and the degree of the equation is 1, because the highest power of the variables is 1. So 2x plus 3y equal to 12 is also a linear equation in two variables. Take one more. 5m plus 6n minus 14 is equal to 0. So in this equation we have the variables m and n, and the highest power of both m and n are 1. So this is also a linear equation in two variables. X by 3 plus y by 6 minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is also a linear equation in two variables. And we have studied about linear equations in two variables in 9th standard. And we are learned about their geometric representation also, that is graphical representation. Every linear equation represents a straight line in coordinate plane, and the general form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and at least one of a or b is not 0. If both a and b are equal to 0, then the equation becomes 0 into x plus 0 into y plus c is equal to 0. That is, the equation is not a valid equation. So at least one of either a or b is not equal to 0. Then the equation is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. So we have learned it in 9th standard. But what is the necessary to study about the pair of linear equations in two variables? So let us see what is the necessary. Here we have a situation that Anita bought 3 oranges and 5 apples for 90 rupees. So here we have 3 apples and 5 oranges, and Anita bought these fruits for 90 rupees. And what could be the price of each orange and apple? That is the question. Here the unknown quantities are the price of orange and price of apple. So what could be the price of each orange and apple? This question is given to three students, Sudha, Suma and Sunil. They were asked that what be the price of each orange and each apple. They calculate themselves and answered like this. Sudha tell that the price of orange is 15 rupees and price of apple is 9 rupees. And Suma answered that the price of orange is 10 rupees and the price of apple is 12 rupees. And Sunil told that the price of orange is 20 rupees and the price of apple is 6 rupees. Who is right? So let us see, let us verify that whether the answer given by Sudha is right or not. As the price of each orange is 15, the price of 3 oranges is 15 into 3, 45. As the price of each apple is 9 rupees, the price of 5 apples is 5 into 9, that is 45. 45 plus 45 is 90. If you check the answer of Suma, price of 3 oranges is 3 tens are 30 and the price of 12 apples is 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 30 is also 90. And according to Sunil also, the cost of 3 oranges and 5 apples is 320s are 60 plus 6 5s are 30. 60 plus 30, 90. So if we check their answers, all are correct. But there could be only one price at a time for orange and apple. But which answer is correct? So we cannot say. So to solve this situation, to solve this problem, one more situation is given. And the situation is, Ajay bought 4 oranges and 4 apples for 80 rupees. Okay, the cost of 4 oranges and 4 apples is 80 rupees. So were they able to solve the problem in this situation? If the two conditions are given, are we able to solve the situation? Let us see. So they tried to make the number of one fruit to equal. So that is, they taken the first situation 4 times. That is, the cost of 3 oranges and 5 apples is 90 rupees. So if the situation is taken 4 times, then we have 12 oranges and 5 4s are 20 apples and 90 4s are 360. So the cost of 12 oranges and 20 apples is 360 rupees. And according to second condition, if we take the situation 3 times like this, now the cost of 12 oranges and 12 apples is 83 is 240. So how can we find the cost of each apple and orange using these situations? Let us see. So what is the difference between these two situations? In first situation we have 12 oranges and 20 apples, and in second situations we have 12 oranges and 12 apples. That is, the number of oranges is equal, but the number of apples is different. What is the difference of apples here? 12 minus 20, 8 apples. And what is the difference between their costs? 360 minus 240, 120. That is, the difference of 8 apples is equal to 120 rupees. Okay, that is the cost of 8 apples is 120 rupees, and from these situations we can say that the cost of each apple is 120 by 8 is equal to 15. So the cost of each apple is 15 rupees, and if we substitute this value in either of these two situations, if you take the situation for Anita, the cost of each apple is 15 and she bought 5 apples, and the cost of 5 apples is 515 the 75, and 90 minus 75 is 15. That is the price of 3 oranges is 15 rupees. That is price of each orange is 15 by 3, that is 5 rupees. Okay, so in this way they find the answer, that is the cost of each apple is 15 rupees and each orange is 5 rupees. Okay, that is if we take the cost of each orange is x rupees and each apple is y rupees, then in first case we can write that 3 into x plus 5 into y is equal to 90. That is 3x plus 5 equal to 5y is equal to 90. And in second case we can write 4 into x plus 4 into y is equal to 80. That is 4x plus 4y equal to 80. So to get the unique solution of these two equations, we need at least two independent linear equations in the same two variables. Okay, when the two conditions are given, then only we were able to find the variables. Okay, that's why we need to study about the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay students, so to get the unique solution of these situations, these two situations, that is two equations, to get the unique solution of two equations, we need to study about the linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so before going to start the exercise problems, here we have some multiple choice questions under the title try this. So let us solve them. Make the correct options in the following questions. So the first question is, which of the following equations is not a linear equation? So option A is 5 plus 4x equal to y plus 3. Second option is x plus 2y is equal to y minus x. Third option is 3 minus x is equal to y square plus 4. And the fourth option D is x plus y equal to 0. And it is asked that which of these equations is not a linear equation. So take the first option. In the first option, the highest degree of the variables is 1, because the power of x is 1 and the power of y is also 1. So first one is a linear equation. And in the option B also, the power of both x and y are 1. And in the option C, we have the power of variable y as 2. So the equation is not a linear equation. Okay, so the option C is right option. And fourth one also we have x plus y equal 0, which is a linear equation. Take the second question. Which of the following is a linear equation in one variable? So first option A is 2x plus 1 equal to y minus 3. Second option 2t minus 1 is equal to t plus 5. Third option 2x minus 1 is equal to x square. Fourth option x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So which of the following is a linear equation in one variable? That is the question. So in first option we have two variables x and y. So this is not our option. And in second option we have only one variable t, and the degree of the t is 1. So the degree of equation is 1. So the option 2t minus 1 is equal to t plus 5 is our required option B. In C we have x square, that is the degree of equation is 2, and in the fourth option D also we have the degree of equation 2. Take the third one. Which of the following numbers is a solution for the equation 2 into x plus 3 equal to 18? So the first option A 5, option B 6, option C 13, option D 21. So let us substitute the value of values given in the option in LHS, and let us check whether the result is equal to RHS or not. Okay, so take the option 5, first option 5. If we substitute the value of 5 in LHS, what we get? 2 into 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 into 8 is 16. But in RHS we have 18. So the first option is wrong. So take the second option. Substitute x equal to 6 in the given equation. Then we get 2 into 6 plus 3. That is 2 into 9 is equal to 18. And in the given equation also we have 18 on right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS. So the second option B is right option. Okay, and no need to check whether C and D are correct or not. Now take the fourth question. The value of x which satisfies the equation 2x minus half 4 minus x is equal to 5 minus x is dash. And the options are 4.5, 3, 2.25, 0.5. Let us solve this simple equation. 2x minus half 4 minus x is 2x minus 4 minus into minus x, that is plus x, is equal to, on right hand side we have 5 minus x, and from this we can write 3x, and taking minus x on right side to left side we have plus x. 3x plus x is equal to 5 plus 4, that is 4x is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9, and from this we can write x is equal to 9 by 4, that is 2.25. So the solution of the given equation is option C, 2.25. Okay, take the next one. The equation x minus 4y equal to 5 has A, no solution, B, unique solution, B, two solutions, D, infinitely many solutions. And just now we have seen that if a linear equation in two variables is given, then it has infinitely many solutions. Okay, like 1 comma minus 1 is a solution, 5 comma 0 is also a solution, 0 comma minus 5 by 4 is a solution. Like that we have infinitely many solutions when a linear equation in one variable is given. Sorry, linear equation in two variables is given. Okay, so that's all for today, and in next class we are going to learn about the graphical representation of pair of linear equations in two variables. So very important class, so don't miss. Until then, see you, bye.